So we will use our email address and the password to sign up for almost all the websites we are interested in. So there are so many data breaches going on. There are so many website breaches and so many mails and passwords like the account credentials have been compromising all these years. Hackers are trying their way into the website databases and then they are uh, extracting the username and the password. So have if you go to this website haveibeenpawned.com, these guys are maintaining the database that contains all of the compromised emails and the passwords. So these guys are not hacking, but there are already breaches and they are collecting the information from those breaches. As you can see, there are 481 pawned websites, and see these many accounts are already compromised and they have the database of these uh, compromised accounts. So as you can see, largest breaches, and these are all the accounts. If you have account in those websites, you can just check this email address, and I'm going to type in my email address. All you have to do is type in the email address and have to verify if your account has been breached or not. So let me click on this pawn. It says good news, no pawn is found. Okay, so this my mail has not affected because I have no accounts in these main websites. So that's why it said me good news, and it is always a good practice to check like these websites whether your email address have been pawned or not. And there is also another website, that is what is my IP address.com, and breach check. What you want to do is you have to enter an email to see if your accounts with the organization hit by breach or not. So if I click on breach, so we have detected that email you entered has no data breaches. So this website also using the database from the haveibeenpawned.com. So it's like you can also check this or this website, it's both the same. So you can use the password manager like one password or the LastPass to safely secure your passwords in the web browser. So that's all about this have I been pawned and what is my IP address.com. These websites allows user to check whether their accounts have been compromised or not.